It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now I'm here with one of my friends, Ruan, and we are gonna taste test some of e-xgamer's energy fuel. Now, these are new to South Africa. Apex Interactive, who graciously sent all of this over, is bringing them in, and they're going to be available so far on Take a Lot. So check them out once they are available. Pricing wise, that'll also be announced a bit later. Now, we're going to do a taste test on these 6 different flavors. We have the Blue Nitro, Hyper Beast, Hydra Storm, Zomberry, Nuke Fusion, and Power Crush. So we mix up all of the flavors and threw them into these small shot glasses, because otherwise we might die, because caffeine wise they do have 200 milligrams in 2 scoops. So you get the tub that you just throw in, pretty self-explanatory.
Well.
Yeah, so it has a spoon. You get the shaker, shake it around like you just don't care, and then you can drink it as it is. So you can mix it either in between like 500 milliliters of water or 350. So I've tasted the tub so far because it's been sitting here for a while and I just needed to taste it. So I've tasted this one before, but not the others. And if you do mix it up in too little water, it does get quite sweet. So yeah, but anyway, so we're gonna do a taste test first. We're gonna smell and guess how, like, what it smells like. Then we're gonna taste it, and then also going to like say what it tastes like. So, yeah. Okay. So firstly, let's start with the Power Crunch. Crush. Not bad. All right.
Sounds like jelly babies or like pine nuts.
Jelly babies. It does actually smell like jelly babies. Okay. Let's try it. Alright, this one I feel you can mix in a bit less water.
Yeah, definitely.
So we mixed everything in 500 mils. And even though it's good, because you're gonna drink 500 mils, you don't want to make it too sweet. It's actually pretty nice. What does it taste like?
It tastes
It's
like
like kind of like jelly babies, I think, but yeah, this one was a bit more diluted.
or maybe like a diluted pine nut or something. It does have that piney taste.
So that's it. Not bad at all. Next, let's do the Blue Nitro, which has the best color out of all of them. Yeah. Yo, this one is kind of stronger than Nitro's. I don't know what it smells like.
Blueberries.
I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's taste this.
Yeah.
Alright, I taste that blueberries.
Definitely blueberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still also probably a bit diluted.
Yeah.
I thought it was actually going to be really sweet because the Hyper Beast was, but these ones can actually mix in a little bit less water.
Definitely. I'd say about 400 milliliters.
Yeah,
with these.
I think that'll be actually perfect. This one, very nice. Like it more than the Power Crunch. What do you think so far?
I also like the Blue Nitro more, yes.
Alright, next we have the Hydra Storm, which doesn't have the best color.
Looks like Coke.
It smells like Coke.
It does.
But not like the original Coke, something a bit different.
You know those Coke flavored lollipops you get?
Yes.
They smell like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, cool. Yeah, tastes like that.
Tastes exactly like that, yes.
I'm not too crazy on it, but if you like the Coke lollipops, then there you go. Alright, next up we have the Hyper Beast. Now this is the one that I've already tasted, and it's good, but I want to hear what it smells like to you.
Okay. I can't really say it. It's not a, like...
Alright, let's try it.
Definitely some cherry in there. Definitely.
I don't know why. This one tastes different now, but when I used the tub, it tasted like raspberry sparletta.
Okay.
But that was probably because it was a bit sweeter. So, yeah, but this one is also good so far. Between this one and the blue Nitro for me.
Yeah, definitely is.
Okay, Zomberry.
Zomberry.
I can't, it doesn't really smell like anything for me.
Previously we thought it smelled like Nesquik, like strawberry,
Yeah.
like pink Nesquik, but
Yeah.
it definitely changed.
Alright, let's see.
Let's try this.
I'm not a fan.
It's got a milky aftertaste.
Yeah, it does a bit.
It's strawberry. You can definitely taste the strawberry in there.
Yeah, I think it does kind of still taste like the pink Nesquik.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of this one.
Maybe the pink Nesquik mixed with water.
I've never tried that. Maybe. And then next up, lastly, we have Nuka Fusion. Nuke Fusion. Right, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like this one.
This is like lemons or something.
Yeah.
It's like limes.
Yeah,
Okay.
no. Alright, let's try. No, it's
No.
not for me. Definitely limes.
Yeah.
Rah.
No. Not for me.
But if you like limes, there you go. But so far for me, Hyper Beast and a blue Nitro, the best. And again, we mix it in 500 ml of water. You can mix it in a bit less for the packets. So it kind of feels like these are a bit less, or I just throw in too much of these. But so far, again, you can get these either in the tub that you get 60 servings out. You can drink it, they recommend twice a day. So if you really want a lot of caffeine, there you go.
Twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yo. Okay.
Well, the thing is, I drink like 6 to 10 cups of coffee a day, so maybe this can replace that. Because coffee gets expensive.
Well, you said one serving is 200 milligrams of caffeine. That's
Maybe.
a lot of caffeine.
Maybe. So for all of you gamers out there who want to get through the night, definitely try this out. So again, you guys can either buy them in these small packets that you can taste test, see which one you like more, and then you can go for a tub. So the tub's again 600 grams, where you can get around 60 servings out, and then you can buy it on its own, or you can get it also with one of these shakers. So it's just a lot easier. If you already have a shaker, then maybe you can just use that. But yeah, so far I like it. I'm going to drink this quite a lot. I already have. So I like the Hyper Beast, I think, the most.
Yeah, for me it's also...
I think I'm going to go for the Hyper
I
Beast.
think the Hyper Beast was my favorite, definitely. But where can we get this?
Right, so again, Apex Interactive is bringing them in, and they're going to be available on Take-A-Lot. So far, I'm not sure if it's going to be available elsewhere, but Take-A-Lot will have them in the future. So that's pretty much it for our taste test of the e-xgamer Energy Fuel. A big thanks to Apex Interactive for sending these over, and for the nice big tub, which I'm definitely going to drink a lot more. Thanks to Ron for just coming over. He is actually one of the guys who did the previous, was it Black Widow?
That's correct, yes.
Black Widow review.
Yeah.
So go check out that review as well. Big thanks to him for coming over, helping out a bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll check all of you guys next time.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.